Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Mate, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just hold down power key, and after this turn off menu appears, hold your finger on power off, then it proposes you to reboot to safe mode. You just tap OK and device restarts in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, just restart your device and it will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.